Hello, everyone. I'm here to show you how to do your bar charts. So the first thing I'm going to do is pull up a data set. Instead of using the lab data set, I'm using another one that's already got the SciCap calculated for me, so I don't have to go through those steps. But basically, we have the four components of SciCap. Self-efficacy, hope, resilience, and optimism. And so what I'm going to do is follow the steps on, if you're looking here on the bar charts, I'm just going to go down the steps here. So we go to graph, legacy dialogue, and bar. We're going to select summaries of separate variables. So that's different than what we've done before. Simple is already selected. And then we're going to move the ones we're interested in over. Let me see where they are. Okay, so here we go. Optimism, resilience, hope, and efficacy. I'm going to put those over for what the bars represent. Click OK. And now I have these bars, but they don't have labels and they're out of order, right? And I'm not going to worry about making a title here because you really need to do that when you move it over into Word. So I'm going to double click here, bring up my chart editor. And, the first thing I'm going to do here is show my data labels. And here I want, this is going to be the mean, and I want 2 decimals. So I'm going to apply that, and you can see it changes on there. So that's one thing. Let's see. Now I'm going to go to, let's see here. Okay, so after I fix my 2 decimal points, I'm going to double click on any bar. And this is going to bring up this different thing that I had before, menu. And I'm in categories, and I'm going to choose statistic for sort by. So go down to sort by, and I'm going to choose statistic. And then I'm going to pick descending. Hit apply, close, and there you go. There is my descending means chart. And you're going to need this for your homework that you're going to turn in, and then you're also going to need it for the case study. So now the second thing is, I think this is the most effective way to do it. But I also want to show you, if you wanted to, how to do it in Excel. So I'm going to pause the video and pull this data up in Excel. Actually, I forgot. What I'm going to do is run my descriptives and get my means. So, because I'm going to hand put these over in Excel. Now, part of why we're doing this is in lesson 4, we talk about favorabilities, and the favorabilities can be better to graph in Excel, but just for the straight means, I think SPS is fine. But in case you're interested and you want to learn, okay, my options, mean, just for fun. And look, so I'm going to go on and do it in descending means because that's going to make it easy in Excel for me. Okay. So basically, I'm going to double click on this. I'm going to select, whoops, let me click out. Maybe I'm going to shift down. Yeah. Okay, so I'm just shifting to get this mean. And I'm going to copy it. and then open up Excel, blank workbook. And I'm gonna copy and paste that here. Now, Excel does this when I'm, a couple ways I can fix this. I'm just gonna do these to 2 decimal points. So to do that, I'm gonna right click, format cells, go to number, or actually number. I'm gonna take this way down to 2. Okay, so there we go. Now, I'm going to select the means of these competencies, and really, I can delete this just so I don't confuse myself. I'm going to select this, or actually, I'm just going to select the means, and then I'm going to go insert, and this little thing is a bar chart. And you can pick any kind you want. I'm just going to do this 2D one. Then let's see. Right click on chart, select data. And what I'm going to do, for my horizontal axis labels, I'm going to edit this, and I'm going to select those, which then, as you can see down here, just puts it right in. Okay. I'm also going to delete this title because this is going to mess up your APA. Remember, and you do that title in the Word document. Okay, so now I can change the colors. So here's the fun thing about Excel. So I could do, where are my color options? Okay, here we go. So, I could do something pretty like, different things. You could even do different ones. Now, the other thing you want to do is add your data labels. So similar to SPSS, you're going to right click here, add data label, and there it is. Add data label, add data label, and add data label, right? So here you go. This is just 2 ways to do your chart. And I just want to give you a reminder that when you're writing the report, you want to put this chart front and center on the front page to really draw the reader to this great visual story that you're telling. I hope you all are doing well, and I hope this is helpful.